Hello children, welcome back to another maths class. Today we will learn subtraction. Students, do you know what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away one number from another number. Subtraction means taking away one number from another number. Today we will learn subtraction on single digit number. Single digit number means numbers starting from 0 to 9. I repeat, single digit number means numbers starting from number 0 to 9. Now, subtraction means taking away one number from another number. And do you know what is the sign of subtraction? The sign of subtraction is minus. The sign of subtraction is minus. M-I-N-U-S. Minus. Single digit number, numbers from 0 to 9. Subtraction means taking away one number from another number. And the sign of subtraction is minus. This is the sign. And this sign is very important while we do subtraction. Without this sign, the subtraction is incomplete. Now let me teach you the two ways in which we do subtraction. The first way is horizontal way. The first way is horizontal way, or we can also call it as sleeping lines. Horizontal way, sleeping lines, like this. We'll write in straight lines, sleeping lines. And the second way is vertical way. That means standing lines. We write like this. 3 minus 2. Vertical ways are the standing lines and horizontal ways are the sleeping lines. Now in today's subtraction class, I will show you how to do subtraction using these both methods. Now, here are some examples how to do subtraction. As you can see here are, what is this? These are balls. How many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here are 5 balls. So from these 5 balls, if we take away 3 balls, how many balls will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we take away 3 balls. 1, 2 and 3. So how many balls we have took out? We have taken away 3 balls. Now what we will write here and how we will write here? The first process we will use as horizontal way. So 5 minus 3. So how many balls are left? From 5 balls, 2 balls. These 3 balls we have already taken away. So how many balls are left? 2 balls. So 5 minus 3. I have given the minus sign and we will write here 2. So the answer is 2. We have done this in horizontal way. And in vertical way, how we will do it? In vertical way, we will write like this. 5 minus on the left hand side. Then we will write 3. Then we will draw 2 lines. And we will write how many balls are left? 1, 2. So the answer will be 2. Now, second example. What is drawn here? Students, can you say me what I have drawn here? I have drawn here 3 apples. How many apples I have drawn? 3 apples. Now, from these 3 apples, I am not going to take away any apple. So, what will be the answer? In horizontal way, we will write 3 first because there are 3 apples. And from these 3 apples, if I don't take away any apple, then how many apples will be left? 3 apples. So, minus 0 because I am not taking away any apple. Equal sign, and the answer will be 3 because I have not taken away any apple. Here we will do the same thing in vertical way. 3 minus 0 equals to 3. Now the next example. Here are 2 pencils. How many pencils are here? 2 pencils. So first we will write 2. Then we will give the minus sign, which is very important sign. And from 2 we will take away 1 pencil. So we will take away 1 pencil. We will cut 1 pencil here. So how many pencils are left, students? 1. 2 minus 1 equal sign. So the answer is 1. Out of 2 pencils, I have taken away 1 pencil, and how many pencils are left? 1 pencil. Now the same pattern in vertical way. 2 minus on the left hand side 1. Then we will draw 2 lines, and what we will write the answer? 1. So out of 2 pencils, we have taken away 1 pencil. So what will be the answer? 1. And the last example. What is this? These are flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers are here? Here are 4 flowers. So first of all, we will write the number 4 and give the minus sign. Now, from this 4 flowers, how many flowers I am going to take? I am going to take 2 flowers. 1 flower and 2 flower. So can you tell me, students, how many flowers are left? Yes, you are right. 2 flowers are left. So out of 4 flowers, I have taken away 2 flowers and 2 flowers are left. Now we will write 4 minus 2 equal sign, and the answer will be 1 and 2. Now the same thing we will be doing in vertical way. 4 are the total number of flowers, minus sign on the left hand side. Now we will write the 2 flowers which we have taken away. 2. Then we will give this sign and we will write the answer 2. 2 flowers have been taken away and 2 flowers are left. So we will write the answer 2. So, students, I hope you have understood the concept of subtraction with the help of these examples. I repeat the same. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. When we take away one number from other number, it is called subtraction. And the sign of subtraction is minus sign. This is the sign of subtraction. The spelling of minus is M-I-N-U-S, minus. Today we have learned subtraction on single digit number. Single digit number means the numbers which start from number 0 to 9. We have learned subtraction in 2 ways. Number 1 is the horizontal way or sleeping lines, and number 2 are the vertical ways or the standing lines. We have solved 4 examples following the 2 ways. Like this way, you will be practicing subtraction. Thank you.